Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to tell you a new app called as Hider app. This app was developed by me. I'm the founder of Collab Services, and this app is regarding the safety of your credentials and URLs which you have. If you have any important URLs or any important credentials, you can save in this app. Without your fingerprint access, the information is not revealed to anyone. Even if it is you also, you need to add your fingerprint and you need to open your reveal your credentials, and the credentials will be displayed for you for only 10 seconds. So this is the features of the app, and if you do not subscribe to my channel, just please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, please like it. So now let's get into the video. I'm opening this Hider app. His name is Hider. So I don't have any. I've registered. Firstly, you need to register you with your mobile number and email ID, and you need to OTP verify your mobile number. So after that, you will get a blank screen. After that, if you want, you can add credentials by clicking this plus button. Click on this plus button. It will go to add credentials, add creds. After that, first we'll add credentials and later we will add this URL. So first of all, I need to add a title. Let's suppose Amazon credentials. Yep. So my Amazon creds, I'm entering my Amazon creds. Sorry. So this is my, what's the password is, this is my password, and I'm clicking on add creds to add credentials. You need to enter three, guys: title and username and password. Three you need to enter, and you need to click add creds. After clicking on add creds, credentials has been added. So let's open this credentials. See, you got a credentials with no username and no password revealed. Just click on reveal info. It will ask for a fingerprint scan. If your phone don't have a fingerprint scan, it will ask for a 4-digit pin, guys. If you need to set up 4-digit pin. After that, you can reveal the credentials with your 4-digit pin. So I'm giving my fingerprint. See, after giving fingerprint, your credentials will be visible and the timer started running. It has only 10 seconds, guys. After 10 seconds it will disappear. If you want to reopen it, you need to again click on reveal info and you need to add your fingerprint. You can copy the credentials also, guys. There is a copy option also. You can click on copy, so the text will be copied, the password will be copied, username will be copied. So this is about the adding credentials, and now coming to, just click on the plus button and you can add your URL also. If you have any important URLs, if you find any important URLs, like if you have any drives, you need to save those URLs, or if any important information you found on the web, so you need to save the URLs. Just click on add URL, guys, and you can keep a title for that. For example, I want to give Facebook. I kept the title as Facebook, and I'm giving the Facebook URL, guys, www dot, sorry, dot has been not captured, facebook.com backslash. Yes, this is the Facebook URL, guys. I just gave the Facebook URL, and after giving the URL and title, just click on the save link. So after clicking the save link, it will URL has been added. I gave only title as a Facebook, guys. It will add hyphen URL, so you can differentiate between credentials and URLs. So it will add a URL, guys, hyphen URL at every URL. So on clicking this URL, it will also appear like this. You need to click on reveal info and you need to give your fingerprint access. So it will, the URL will be visible, guys. It is also visible for only 10 seconds. So if you want to redirect, just click on this button. It will ask, do you want to visit the URL? You can click on visit, so it will redirect to the facebook.com as a URL. So this is how you can add the credentials, guys. And after that, you can update your credentials also here. Just click on update creds, and if you click on this Amazon credentials, it will ask your fingerprint. For updating credentials also, we gave a security, guys, so no one can update your credentials except you. So just give the fingerprint access, and you can click, the title will be as Amazon credentials. You can click the username and you can click the password and click on update credentials. I'll just give a username. My username is I'll give my name, Nikhil Kumar. I'll just give my username as like this, and I'll change my password at the rate. Yeah, this is the credentials I gave: Nikhil space Kumar and NIK at the rate 4321. I just want to update the creds updated successfully. After that, go back to home and just click on Amazon creds and reveal info and add your fingerprint. See, the credentials has been updated: Nikhil space Kumar and NIK at the rate 4321. So this is how you can update your creds. You can also update your URLs also. So this is how it works. So if you want to delete any credentials or URLs, just long click, come to home and long press on the credentials. It will ask, do you want to remove credentials? Just click on remove, so the credentials will be removed, guys. So if you want to remove this URL, just click on long press. You want to remove creds, just click on remove. It will remove the credentials, guys. So this is how it works, and you can set up a pin here, guys. And if you have any doubts, you can contact us here by clicking on this mail button. So if you like this video, just please like it and subscribe to our channel. So thank you, guys.